Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Let me introduce myself. I am Ashaduzzaman, assistant teacher English, Hashmal Balisha High School and College, Sirazdikan, Munshiganj. Okay. Dear students, from the beginning of the class, I would like to tell you something. Okay. Dear students, I hope you are staying at your home, safe and sound. You have to abide by some rules and you have to remain safe. Okay. Dear students, before discussion my topic, I would like to show two types of activities. Now you have to be more careful to take these activities. Okay. Dear students, what is this? What is this? It is a glass of water. Okay? Can you see? It is a glass of water. Now I will drink it. Okay? Okay? Dear students, it is also a glass of water. Now I will also drink it. Okay? Dear students, can you find out? Can you find out or try to understand and try to understand and what is the difference between the two? First one activity is I have drank a glass of water directly. Okay? Second time I have also drank a glass of water indirectly. Now can you guess or try to understand what I am going to teach you? Okay, dear students, now I am going to teach you about narration. Okay? Narration. Okay? At first we will know what is narration and types of narration and clear conception of narration. Okay? Narration refers to the present sentence spoken by somebody. Another definition is that narration means statement of a person. Types of narration. Narration is of two types. Already narration is of two types. Direct speech or direct narration or direct speech, indirect narration or indirect speech. Okay. Now we will know what is direct. Direct narration means when speech is quoted in the actual words used by the speaker, it is called direct narration or direct speech. Okay. Direct narration has four concepts. We can find out four concepts of direct narration. Now we will show the speaker. First, speaker. Repeating verb. Person spoken to. Sometimes not direct. Maybe used or not. Direct speech. Okay. This four conception I have to show an example. For example, Hassan says to me, I am poor. To me, Hassan says to me, I am poor. Okay? I am poor. Here, Hassan. Just listen to the class and take the class very carefully. Here Hassan is speaker. Says repeating verb. To me, person is spoken to. And I am poor. Direct speech. Direct speech. Okay. Clear conception is there here. Hassan, speaker, says repeating verb. To me, person is spoken to. I am for direct speech. I think you have to understand. You will understand clear conception of direct narration and conceptual narration. Full conception you will be completed. Okay. Now I will discuss now I will discuss about direct narration, indirect narration, or indirect speech. Indirect narration has also 5 concepts. Okay, first one, reporter, and second, reporting verb, person spoken to, linker, and reported speech. And reported speech. Okay. Now we will show indirect speech. Conception of indirect speech. We will show an example. Students, already I have written an example. Hassan says to me, here already I have discussed indirect narration has 5 concepts. Now I will show you what is each 5 concepts. Where is 5 concepts? Here Hassan, reporter verb. Already I have discussed reporter verb. Reporter. Here says reporting verb. And to me, person spoken to, person spoken to, that linker. Here is linker, and he is for reported speech. I think you will be understood 5 clear conception of the indirect speech, and I hope you will understand and you will be understood clear conception of narration, especially direct narration and direct speech. Next class I will discuss about change of persons and change of tenses. Okay. You have to wait to take my class next class. I hope you are well. You are also well, and I will pray to Allah for your success, and pray for me, so that I can take the class gradually and gradually. Okay, dear students, stay safe and remain safe. Stay home and remain safe. Okay, thank you, dear student. Thank you very much. Okay,